Hey guys, Pew and Crow here.
Yo!
Today we're back at it again with the Pokemon TCG Online. We're going to be opening up all the packets of our Roaring Skies.
Yeah, thought we'll change it up this time. Been doing a lot of evolution theme seeds, but this time, Roaring Skies, let's do it.
Yeah, let's get into it. What do we get out of the first pack?
We have a fly buzzing around in our room.
It's really annoying. It's a big one too. There's an Exeggutor, that's alright.
Yeah, Exeggutor looks alright, yeah.
What's it got? Oh, it's going to attack by Spearows. Hells yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, we've got the normal Swellow.
Don't forget about Swallow.
Nah.
Oh, a Wurmple.
And...
Oh,
a
half-art
Togekiss.
Togekiss.
That's alright.
Yeah.
Looks decent.
Togekiss is pretty good. Oh, we go. Got two, reverse. I nearly said Diancie, then it's Carbink.
Yeah. We have nothing in particular that we're going for in this set.
No.
It's pretty cool to just get somewhat EXs.
Yeah. Just get like one or two nice pulls, that would be alright. A half-art Swallow. Yeah, that's right, that looks alright though. Oh, Electronic, Bagon.
Should get at least a couple good pulls. We're pulling at least, well, we're doing equivalent to a booster box.
Yeah.
Online. Right.
Oh, Glasscore. Oh, Dustox and Beautifly. Oh.
I'm gathering by the artwork there is a Rayquaza in this set.
Yeah, you'd have to. There it is. Hello, Rayquaza.
Yeah.
Oh, I think that's the one that you see people use a lot.
Yeah, typically. Yep.
Oh, fly, go away.
Oh. Don't even know what else is in this set.
Oh, there's a normal Togekiss.
That buzzing off that fly.
Yeah. Ooh, I just want to walk over and squish it. Oh, a Dragonite. Look at that. God. The dragons are so horrible.
Oh, but
Three different types of energies.
Yeah, man. That's why we don't have a dragon deck yet.
Yeah, it's too just much happening on it. Oh, Bayonet. Look, another Pikachu.
Oh.
Get nothing but poop at the moment.
I know.
Where's the good cards? I mean, besides that Rayquaza, I like Deoxys.
Yeah. I like Deoxys is only good if you place it down as your active Pokemon on your bench before you actually start.
Oh, so it has to be.
Yeah.
To get in your first hand.
Yeah.
Oh, yuck. Oh, a double special energy. Is it dragon?
Yeah. Didn't even know.
Yeah. That was alright then.
We get a couple more then, we might be able to make a dragon deck together.
Yeah, that should just take over whatever colour, shouldn't it?
It should.
Oh, reverse. Oh, Zekrom.
Oh. It's alright. But yeah, again, weird bloody energies that they need.
Yep.
Fairies got their own bloody symbol.
Oh, Shaman. EX, not bad.
Return this Pokemon and all the cards attached to it to your hand. So you just like bail.
It's out.
If from your hand onto your bench, you may draw 6 cards.
It's a small little sassy Pokemon though.
Yeah, it pretty much just keeps drawing cards. Like,
Yeah.
put it on your bench, you draw cards. Put it active, put it back to your hand.
Oh, Carbink again.
Yeah, let's keep going.
No new ones at all.
No new ones.
Huh.
It'd be cool.
Pikachu.
I reckon it'd be cool if you could see this as it would be in a set.
Oh yeah, and another Shaman.
Yeah, a full out version of it.
That looks alright though.
Yeah.
My God. It's weird going from just collecting them and then actually battling with them and like...
Oh.
Mega Rayquaza.
Yeah.
Huh? 3 fires, electric and a normal.
Yeah.
Oh, but you gotta discard 2 energies. Yeah, going from collecting them to actually battling with them and just looking at them like, are you useful in a deck or not?
Yeah.
It's weird. Oh! Oh!
We're in the good pools right now.
Yeah, well, that's all good now for a... Wait, that's a normal.
That's a normal.
Oh!
That's mad.
Yeah. Don't care about if we get shit pulls now.
Oh, I still care.
Yeah, still want some good ones, but...
Like 8 packs left. Oh, we've gotten a couple of them dragons.
There's like 3 now, isn't it?
Yeah, we've gotten 2 reverses of it. That's alright. Alright, come on.
Tranquil. Oh!
Oh.
Oh, dude, that's
Heavy
nice.
impact. Like,
It's like breaking the thing.
yeah.
Shockwave pushes the water. And Absol.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that looks nice. Is that a volcano? No, that's not a volcano. Looked like a volcano.
I think you're seeing things.
Yeah, it was just a rock.
No new ones?
Nope. Taylor. Oh, look, another dragon, double dragon thingy.
Yeah.
Oh, Victini. And an Articuno.
That's where that
Articuno was
from. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, Tranquil.
Yeah, Tranquil, yeah.
The masked bird.
I've seen so much more fan art of that bird, but looks way better.
That wasn't Tranquil. That was on Pheasant.
Yeah, that's on Pheasant. On Pheasant. That's what I mean, like...
It's a big, like, turkey pigeon.
Yeah.
What is that?
Oh,
the Reshiram. 2 fires, electric, and a normal.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
You know it.
Well, another Pikachu. Oh, Mega Gallade.
Yeah.
Oh no, just a Gallade.
Last packet. Good that we got a Glade, but...
I got that card on my birthday when I opened up a pack. Like, bam.
Oh, we finished it with a Dragonite. That's...
Oh, do you guys think that was it?
We're going.
X and Y. Oh, Phantom Forces.
Yep. Might as well open up this.
Yeah, I wonder if we'll get anything good in this. Oh, look, new double colourless. A Yamega?
Yeah.
I actually like Yamega.
That's alright.
Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a Florges.
The floors, yeah. That's alright.
Yeah. It's a weird looking Pokemon though.
Oh, weird, yeah. They've had some weird ass ones over the time.
Did then the Bronzong, a bell?
I think Gen 3 had some weirdest. Or was it Gen 4?
Gen 4 was like black and white.
Oh, the Dialga. It's a steel type.
Oh.
Going in my steel deck.
Yeah. Hells yeah.
Yeah, man.
Getting some nice pulls here. Oh, Fletchinder.
Oh, the fly's back. The fly's back.
Go away.
This whole episode is going to be us talking about this fly.
Yeah. Where is it now? Is it behind us? No, it's over near the window. You know what? I'll take us. Oh. No, I'm wait. Gonna get up and take a swing, is it? Oh no, it's a Mushana.
Oh.
And a Mushana.
Mushana.
Muna.
Oh, I had a crocodile on this set. Spirit Tomb and
Garvantula. Freaking goomy. A slug dragon looking thing. What's a slug about? It's like, how are you a dragon? Oh, Diggers Bee.
Diggers Bee.
Good, the fly's landed.
Alright.
Oh, Spirit Tomb.
Let's end this on a good high.
Come on. Arceus.
I don't even think Arceus is in this set.
Oh, no, I was like praying to the Arceus.
But we've had some good pulls. Yeah, I'm happy with the pulls today. We'll throw them in some sets and have some more battles coming at you.
Yeah.
Alright, well, like, subscribe, follow us on Insta.
Yeah, hit that bell icon too.
Yeah. And until next time.
Alright, laters.